What's up programmers? Welcome back to another video made by Wix Computers. In today's video we'll be having a look at the next course of HTML, which is course 4. And in today's stuff we'll be learning some quotation and citation codes. So let's move on to the block code. The HTML block code element defines a section that is quoted from another source. Browsers usually indent block code elements. Let's have a look at the web view and the code. Now we'll move on to the next one, which is the Q tag. The HTML Q tag defines a short quotation. Browsers normally just insert quotation marks around the quotation. And have a look at the web view and the code. You will see that I have marked it also for you. And one more thing, guys, I have started using a different editor, which is Visual Studio Code, and in that you can also program HTML and many more different languages, and it's also pretty good for me. Now let's move on to the abbreviation tag. The HTML abbreviation tag defines an abbreviation or an acronym like the HTML, CSS, Mr., Dr., ASAP, and ATM. Marking abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translation systems, and search engines. I have marked in the web view. I have marked the abbreviation WHO with yellow color so that it might you might have a look at it. And now let's move on to the address tag. The HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author, owner of a document or an article. The contact information can be an email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media handle, etc. The text in the address element usually renders in italic, and the browser will always add a line break before and after the address element. Have a look, and now we move on to the site tag. The HTML site tag defines the title of creative work. The text in the site element usually renders in italic, just like the address tag. Have a look at what I have done. Now we move on to the video tag and the last tag in this video. Video tag stands for bidirectional override. The HTML video tag is used to override the current text direction, which means it usually writes from left to right, but then it will translate it into the mirror verse. So it means that it will be writing right to left instead of left to right. Have a look so that you may understand it better. And that's it, folks. We're closing with this. Have a nice day.